What's going on, guys? It's Authentic Jay back again with another video. I have so much to talk about in this video, so let's get right into it. Lately I've been posting on Reddit a lot, like this photo, to kind of get more exposure for my videos, and I can't begin to thank you guys enough for all the support that you have given me, with all the comments and the upvotes and the suggestions. And I just want you guys to know I am so grateful for every single one of you. So here are some shout outs.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Wow, look at all that support. Thank you guys so much for all the comments and the support and the suggestions. This is why I make the second video. In the beginning, it was just crickets and I felt like I was talking to a wall. But seeing these upvotes and support, I really feel like I'm talking to you guys now. And I can't forget the people who comment on my YouTube videos. So special thank you to Funky Lines, Jank ASMR, Philly, and Abel. I appreciate you guys, and I did respond to each and every one of you. And I did respond to Abel, but anyone else who wants me to fix or create a custom shoe for them, feel free to DM me on Instagram and we can discuss the pricing. Thank you, Abel, for bringing up this topic. I was going to touch on it in the future, but you beat me to it. I know I've been talking a lot, so I'll save the rest for the next video. And with that being said, let's get into this video. So if you guys have been following me for a while now and been watching my videos, you may have noticed that this video was different from my other ones. That being said, let me know in the comment section down below if you like this type of video. If you do, maybe I'll keep making it. If you don't, I'll probably stick to the ASMR videos. So if you guys have been watching and know what the second video is about, then you know that I give you tips and tricks and point out mistakes that I've made so you guys don't make the same ones that I do. And the first mistake that I made was not covering the shoe as much as I could have. And you're gonna see why later on when I airbrush my shoes. The reason why I'm using Too Soft is because I'm using Angelus paint, which is originally leather paint, to paint onto fabric. I know in the video I didn't include the portion where I'm actually putting on the stencils, but I put the stencils on after I was finished painting the white portion. If you guys don't have access to vinyl stencils, don't worry. Feel free to use the tape stencil method I showed in my other video. I'll leave a link in the video and in the description below. And as mentioned before, this is where the cover up might have helped me more. As you can see, the black is kind of getting everywhere on the sole and on the mids, so make sure to take the extra time to cover your shoes. Now this is the part of the custom where you can do whatever you want. I had some suggestions on Reddit where people wanted a more solid color to kind of show the toes more, but personally I liked it the way it was. Again, this is your shoe, so do whatever you want. If you want to follow my video 100%, feel free to do that. I don't encourage that because I want you to make your own shoe. I want you to be creative and add your own touch. If you want it to be a solid color, feel free to do that. I don't want to be the guy to tell you that one looks better than the other. And backtracking to the comment made by Abel in the beginning, he mentioned that he failed trying to create a shoe design. I personally don't think he failed because at least he tried, which is more than the majority of the people who want to create customs. And that is why I like creating these videos and getting your responses, because I want you all to try and hopefully one day y'all can maybe send me some of your own customs. But until then, I want you guys to keep trying even if you fail. And in my eyes, if you learn something from it, you didn't fail. And don't get me wrong, guys, I myself am not perfect. I make plenty of mistakes, but I try my best and I just keep moving forward. And a quick tip for painting the bones. I personally use many references off of Google to see what the toes look like in an x-ray. But feel free to paint the bones any way you would like, whether it's super realistic or cartoonish. It is totally up to you. This was my rough draft, and I decided to make it semi-realistic during the painting process. But again, this is your shoe, and that is totally up to you how you want to paint those toes. Also, I know some x-rays have somewhat of blue tint to it. Feel free to add some blue. Again, don't follow my video 100%. If you want more of blue glow to it, feel free to add that onto your shoe. And I know I mentioned I made a mistake by not covering up the shoe as much, and so the paint kind of got onto the soles and the fabric. I fixed this by using acetone on the soles and using water and detergent for the fabric. It got it right off. Hopefully you guys don't make the same mistake and learn from this video. And finally, I top off this shoe with the same matte finish I do in all my other shoes. And that basically wraps up this shoe. I did add my social media to this video, so feel free to follow me on those, and I will be posting more, so stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're interested, check out my other videos. But until next time, peace.